In a world where magic was real, a young girl named Rin Tasaka stumbled upon a secret path in the forest. She had heard whispers of a mysterious place where the trees glowed with an otherworldly light, and she was determined to find it. As she walked deeper into the woods, the trees grew taller and the air grew thick with an ethereal energy. Suddenly, she found herself surrounded by a sea of mushrooms, each one glowing with a soft, pulsing light. Rin couldn't believe her eyes. She had never seen anything like it before. She reached out a hand to touch one of the mushrooms, and as she did, a burst of light shot through her body. She felt a sudden surge of magic flow through her, and she knew that this was the place she had been searching for. As she wandered through the forest, Rin discovered that the mushrooms were not just any ordinary fungi. They were ancient beings, imbued with the power of the forest itself. They had been waiting for her, sensing the depth of her magic and the purity of her heart. Rin spent hours in the forest, learning from the mushrooms and basking in their glow. She discovered that she had the power to control the elements, summoning fire and water with a mere thought. She was a natural at magic, and the mushrooms knew it. As the sun began to set, Rin reluctantly left the forest, knowing that she would have to return to her village soon. But she knew that she would never forget this magical place, and the ancient beings that had welcomed her with open arms. She felt a sense of belonging that she had never felt before, and she knew that she would always carry the magic of the forest with her. From that day on, Rin became known throughout the land as a powerful sorceress, capable of wielding the elements with ease. And though she never forgot the magic of the forest, she knew that her true power came from within, the power of her own heart and the wisdom of the ancient mushrooms.